It's time to start plotting how we shall remember the downfall of a papist plot and watch the skies over London explode with fireworks. And in a few locations, the displays still include the traditional bonfire as well. Normally, it's possible to get a whole weekend of firework displays in across London, but this year, because the 5th November is a Sunday, most venues are putting on their bonfire night displays on the Saturday evening, although a small handful are being nice and running displays on the Friday or Sunday. In fact, the best firework display might be to find somewhere high on the edge of London on Saturday evening and watch all of them at once. London's fireworks night displays. Let me know in the comments below if I've missed any off. What's on in London today or tomorrow or this weekend?